I didn't fail because I could not fix him. I failed क्योंकि मुझे लगा it was my job to fix. अगर मैंने थोड़ा और प्यार दिया, थोड़ा और वेट किया, थोड़ा और एडजस्ट किया, I have to accept, I have to be patient, I have to be the bigger person. Apparently it will work. क्यों? क्लासिक मंद बुद्धि behavior बोलते हैं इसे, and I say this with a lot of love because I was that person. He didn't love me the way I did. मेरी पूरी जिंदगी इधर उधर हो गई. He would call me only when he wanted something. I would end up questioning my worth. That's where I lost my power. I failed because प्यार के नाम पर I kept accepting disrespect. I convinced myself that I was the problem and I let insecurities grow. I forgot about my dreams. I forgot about my vision board, my passion, even my health. लोग वही करेंगे जो वो करना चाहते हैं, जैसे वो हैं. Situationship, breakups, one-sided love, whatever your situation is, they act according to who they are, and your power is not in controlling that. Your power is in this. How much do you let it shake you? How much does it affect your sleep, your focus, your attention, your ambition, your sanity, your relationship with yourself and others? And that's exactly why I'm starting this series, because I have seen how one person's actions can shake your entire world, and I refuse to let that happen again to me or to you or to anyone who felt this. For the next 100 days, we're not fixing anyone. We're fixing how much power we give them, because our response is in our control, and that's where true power lies. तो कल से notes बनाना, शायद कुछ बातें काम आ जाए. This was day 1 with love, Pri. What to do when you have the urge to text them at 2 a.m. This is not for healthy relationships where you have one normal fight and you just need to communicate. This is for the girls and guys, if you relate, who know that they are stuck in a toxic pattern and desperately want to get out of it. Who keep texting only to regret it as soon as they do. जो रो रो कर अब थक चुके हैं, पागल हो चुके हैं. At 2 a.m. you don't actually want to text him. You just want relief and some sort of reassurance. शायद बात करने से ज्यादा you just want that comfort zone. जब तुम्हारा दिमाग चुप होने का नाम नहीं लेता है, you just want to send one message so that the stress stops. So here's the rule that worked for me. जब भी तुम्हारी मैसेज करने की out of control चुल उठे, stop and breathe and set a timer on your phone for 15 minutes. For those 15 minutes, no phone. Physically get out of bed and walk around your room. I know it sounds a bit weird and शायद शुरू में बहुत मुश्किल लगे, but third, fourth, fifth time it works. You know why? Because you realize your body is just in stress mode and you cannot think your way out of stress. You have to move your way out. After 15 minutes, ask yourself, do I still want to text him or did I just want the anxiety to stop? Most urges peak and fall. अगर तुमने उस चुल की highest peak पर हार कर मैसेज कर दिया ना, you will stay stuck. But if you wait, you build power, you build resilience, and trust me, you're gonna feel so much lighter. हर तरह के closure की तुम्हें जरूरत नहीं है. You needed this. Save this for tonight. This was day 2 of 100 days of letting go and get your power back. Come in day 2 so that I know you're doing this with me. See you tomorrow. With love, Pri. Why does heartbreak actually hurt, like physically, when body feels heavy? जब जो कर लो तुम्हें नींद ना आए, दुनिया भर के thoughts आए, and it honestly feels like something is sitting on your chest. Because your brain doesn't understand situationship or one-sided love or some XYZ ship terminology. उसे सिर्फ attachment समझ आती है. जब तुम्हारे लिए कोई important बन जाता है, your brain registers them as safety. तो जब वो दूर जाते हैं, they act inconsistently or pull away. Your body reacts like something important is unstable. That's why it feels physical, as if your heart is gonna get ripped apart. So what helps? लोग बोलते हैं busy रहो, distract करो खुद को. It is true to some extent, but do not distract yourself immediately. पहले pause, ask yourself, what am I really feeling right now? Is it rejection, ego? Is it fear of being alone? Give clear names to your feeling, then write down all the reasons why you are not choosing this situation. Not why it hurts, but why it doesn't work for you and it never will. जब तुम अपने खुद के patterns एक paper पे देखोगे, your mind will start calming down because you're adding some sort of logic. Not romanticizing the situation anymore. Then and only then redirect. I watch people who inspire me. Sam Kaur, Ali Abdal. They remind me that my life is so much bigger than just one person. And after that, I do my favorite thing. Open Pinterest. भागने के लिए नहीं, but to build. Collect images of the life I'm working toward, and we are not distracting ourselves. Don't get me wrong. हम पहले समझ रहे हैं, फिर accept करेंगे, and only then we are shifting our focus. That's how you slowly get your power back. This is day 3 of 100 days of letting go and getting your power back. I'll see you tomorrow. With love, Pri. Okay, let's talk about closure, guys. Like, seedhi baat, no bakwas today. Because when I said I needed closure, what I actually wanted was an apology. I wanted them to say I messed up and I choose you. I wanted them to stay. So technically, I was chasing validation, not closure. Guess what? I even got closure once. We were pretty clear about the situation and explained it. But did that make me feel better? No, it made me feel worse because I didn't actually want closure. मैं बस चाहती थी कि वो मुझे choose करें. That's the truth. And if someone disrespected you, lied, inconsistent थे या बिना बताए गायब हो गए, that is information. Once you have communicated your needs and nothing changes, that is information. You don't always get closure in words. उनका behavior is enough. So let it go, let them go. Stop asking why. Start asking, is this enough for me? If you needed this slap today, comment day 4. I'll see you tomorrow. With love, Pri. Let them lie, let them cheat, let them play games, let them stay confused, let them choose someone else, let them not value. You gave your 100%, you explained, you stayed, तुमने इतना प्यार दिया, and if after all that they still don't show up, let them. You cannot force honesty, you cannot force effort, you cannot force someone to care you cannot force someone to love you. And you cannot force someone to be loyal. But you can choose what you tolerate. You can choose to walk away. Because power is not in convincing someone to treat you right. Power is in leaving when they don't. So let them. Just let them and then choose yourself. This is day 5 of letting go and getting your power back. With love, Pri.